who has just arrived at the Kwale Stadium. At this point now, what we expect is the arrival of the president, because there appears to be no other protocols beyond that. Professor Kindiki has arrived, the deputy president designate. Of course, we had to see the prime cabinet secretary, Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, but so far the Honorable Moses Otangula, the Speaker of the National Assembly, has arrived. And so has the governor for Kwale County, the Honorable Fatma Achani, who has also made her way to the stadium. The Prime Cabinet Secretary has also arrived, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. So largely, what we just waiting for is the arrival of His Excellency the President. But our camera is fixed at the VIP entrance, where the guests will be making their way through, and let's see who this is. That is the Speaker of the Senate. That is Amason Jeffa Kingi, the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Jeffa Kingi.